Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code which will read an integer, print a square if it's odd, and skip if it's even. Let's see. Well, true. And we are just going to read the input from the user. Please enter a number, and we are going to have an option where user can enter Q to quit. If value, we are going to compare with the Q. If the user want to quit, we just gonna break from the loop, and we are going to convert that value into integer. If user number mod by 2 equal 0, and it's an even number, so we're just gonna continue for that. Else we are just going to print the number. And it's square. Now we can run our code, and I'm just gonna enter 2, which is an even number, so there will be no square for that. And now I'm going to add the odd number 3, and we should get the square for that. The square is 9, and if you want to quit, we just enter Q, and the program will exit. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.